Infantix! Singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Have you heard of crystal gems? They're slime with glitter. And the coolest thing is that each color has a different texture and consistency. Can we find the difference in each one? The pink is very soft. It's sticky, but it gets loose quickly in your fingers. Look at the blue slime. It's a little more firm, but look how it stretches. The golden slime. I think it's the firmest so far. But the more we knead it, the softer it gets. This is the transparent slime. Its texture is similar to the pink slime. Now the silver slime. It looks a little soft, but as soon as you knead it, it starts to stick to your fingers. Look! I loved all these slimes from Crystal Gems. They're great and a lot of fun, too. We can play with each color in a different way. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Infantix!